Hi guys, welcome to Conmart Reviews. I'm Alex. Today I'm bringing you an excavator mounted power driver manufactured by BEIYI machinery. Let's go and take a look.
BEIYI excavator mounted vibratory power driver is perfect for multiple construction sites. Its V series high-frequency hydraulic vibratory power driver is equipped with two eccentric shafts. It adopts hydraulic motor to drive and produce high-speed revolution and vertical vibration force through the damping rubber block to maintain a certain amplitude to cope with various types of soil and power driving.
Hi guys, thanks for watching Conmart Reviews. Please stay tuned as we have more videos coming out in the next couple of days. See you soon.